Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And coming with running boards down below, as well as the FX4 Off Road Package, giving you off-road suspension, and the Sport Appearance Package, giving you unique rims and some other features. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have seating for three comfortably with the black sport cloth of the Sport Package that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders, as well as a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck while you're running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left side of your steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorites screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your camera view, again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your controls, your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats, so you can stay warm. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is part of the FX4 package. And moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as having this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area here with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And then looking back, last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.